Blackheads are unwanted spots that appear on the skin. Studies have suggested that there are multiple reasons that lead to the formation of blackheads on the skin, especially on nose and chin. Some of the ways to get rid of the unwanted blackheads from the skin are: 1. Egg white mask. The white portion of an egg is healthy for the skin as it enriches your skin with essential protein. Applying the mask of egg white on the face is an efficient way of getting rid of blackheads and reduces their further growth. Egg tightens the skin pore, thus prevents blackheads from occurring. Apply the egg white paste on face and cover it with tissue. Let it dry and then apply another coat. Wrap around a tissue again and apply another coat. Keep in mind to let the layer dry first before applying another on it. Rinse it off with water after the final layer dries out and pat your face dry. 2. Baking soda and water. Baking soda has a tendency to eradicate anything that clogs the skin pores. The amount of salt present in baking soda might make the skin over dry, so a pinch of it with fresh water is enough to tackle the blackheads. 3. Keep your face oil-free. Wash your face twice a day as recommended by the best dermatologist across the world. Try to cover your face while going out in order to reduce the exposure of skin directly to the harsh dust particles. So these are the 3 natural ways to get rid of the blackheads from skin naturally.